Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip the tab and slide the housing door to the left to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Slide the housing door to the right so that it is secured behind the top and bottom tabs. Then, reclip the left side. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Partially close the glove box. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.